8. Mistakes you're probably making with muesli that are bad for your health, even though you know it's good for you. What if the muesli you eat for breakfast is making you gain weight, feel tired, or have blood sugar spikes that you don't know about? Many people over 60 think that muesli is a safe and healthy choice. It's a gentle way to get fiber and start the day off right. They say it's good for your heart and digestion. And they're right. Doctors and nutritionists strongly recommend it, especially for older people. But there is a catch. If you prepare or choose your muesli the way most people do, you might be making the problem worse without even knowing it. As we get older, our body's engine slows down, making it harder to digest food quickly. Having trouble controlling your blood sugar levels makes it more likely that you will get diabetes and heart disease. Inflammation can put stress on your organs and make you hurt. These changes mean that even missing breakfast can now cause worse health problems than it did before. You might have wondered why you feel tired in the middle of the morning or full after breakfast. Does this sound familiar? Yes, you're not the only one. It's strange, but a lot of older people don't know about this problem. Every morning, a lot of older people make these 8 mistakes with their muesli, and they might be hurting their health without even knowing it. The good news? You don't have to stop eating muesli. You can protect your heart, keep your blood sugar stable, improve your digestion, and get long-lasting energy to enjoy your day without crashes or pain with just a few simple changes. Today, we will point out these mistakes, explain why they are bad, and offer solutions. If you want to keep enjoying your breakfast while avoiding hidden risks, keep watching. These small changes could end up being some of the healthiest choices you make. First mistake: the hidden sugar trap in instant muesli boxes. Do you grab instant oats packets for a quick and healthy breakfast? Think again. A lot of them have an unhealthy secret: extra sugar. A candy bar has less sugar than some packets. That hidden sugar makes blood sugar levels rise quickly. And what happened? Unpredictable drops in energy, weight gain that won't go away, and inflammation that makes pain and illness worse. This is especially bad for older people because their bodies have a harder time keeping blood sugar levels stable. Many instant oats also have fake flavors and preservatives in them, along with sugar. These additives don't add any nutrition, and they can make digestion uncomfortable, causing bloating or pain after breakfast, and ruining an otherwise nice morning. Instead, choose rolled or steel-cut oats. They are heartier and have a more real, nutty taste and texture. These minimally processed oats help keep your blood sugar steady and give you energy all morning. Steel-cut oats take a little longer to cook, but you can make a lot of them on the weekend and then quickly reheat them for busy mornings. This is the way to go if you want to be healthy and still have things be easy. The second most common mistake: putting in too much sugar or other sweeteners. How much sugar do you usually add to your oats? It might surprise you. Too much sugar, honey, syrup, or fake sweeteners can make plain oats taste bad. Added sugar makes it harder to stay at a healthy weight and have steady energy levels throughout the day, because it raises blood sugar levels quickly and adds extra calories. Controlling blood sugar levels is very important for everyone, but especially for older people, to avoid diabetes complications and stay healthy in general. People often put more sugar in their muesli than in a dessert, and a lot of them don't even know it. You could get inflammation, cravings, and energy crashes. You can add flavor without adding sugar by using cinnamon, vanilla extract, nutmeg, or even fresh fruit like sliced bananas, apples, or berries. These sweeteners and flavorings don't raise blood sugar levels, though. Your body will stay in a healthy balance, and you'll enjoy your muesli more. Third, choose rolled or steel-cut oats instead of whole oats. You might think that instant or quick oats are the easiest option, but they are very processed and digest very quickly. This will make your energy levels drop and make you feel hungry soon after eating because your blood sugar will go up and then down quickly. It's better to use oats that have been rolled or cut with steel. These oats are more nutrient-dense, take longer to digest, and are full of fiber because they haven't been processed as much. This keeps your blood sugar stable all morning and keeps you full longer, Many older people like steel-cut oats because they taste good and have a hearty texture. The many health benefits they offer make up for the time it takes to cook them. You can save a lot of time by making a big batch and putting it in the fridge. Fourthly, not paying attention to serving sizes. People often think, I can eat as much muesli as I want because it's good for me. But if you eat too much muesli, even if you don't add anything to it, it can make you gain weight. No matter how healthy the food is, it still has calories. A serving size of dry oats for one person is about half a cup. Nuts and dried fruits are healthy toppings, but you should only eat a small amount of them because they have a lot of calories. You can enjoy the health benefits of muesli without eating too many calories or sugar if you keep your portions in check. This helps you stay at a healthy weight and gives you energy all day. 5. Don't cook muesli for too long. If you cook oats for too long or at too high a temperature, they can lose their nutritional value and taste bad. Always follow the manufacturer's instructions for exact cooking times and temperatures. Rolled oats usually take about 10 to 15 minutes to cook, while steel-cut oats take 20 to 30 minutes. Muesli keeps all of its nutrients when cooked just right, and its velvety, tasty texture makes any breakfast better. Sixth mistake? Not getting enough protein or healthy fats. Muesli is mostly made up of carbohydrates and fiber. Your blood sugar levels will change too much if you don't eat enough protein or healthy fats. This can make you hungry and tired much faster than you'd like. Adding protein and healthy fats to muesli will make it even better for you. Some good choices are chia seeds, flaxseed and other seeds, natural nut butters, Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, and other yogurts and nuts. A small amount of milk or milk substitute can make a big difference. These toppings not only make your food taste and feel better, but they also help keep your blood sugar stable and make you feel full for longer. Mistake 7. Changing your muesli. Muesli is a healthy choice, but if you eat it every day without changing it, you might get bored and not get enough of other nutrients. If you change up your breakfasts, they will stay interesting and give you a wide range of vitamins and minerals. On days when you eat muesli, add other healthy breakfast foods like whole grain cereals, eggs, smoothies, or yogurt bowls. This variety will help you enjoy your meals more and be healthier overall. Mistake 8. Not drinking enough water while eating muesli. Muesli has a lot of fiber, which is good for digestion, but you need to drink a lot of water for the fiber to work. Many older people have problems with their digestive systems, like bloating, constipation, or other issues. If they don't drink enough fluids, the fiber can make these problems worse. Always drink a full glass of water with your muesli first thing in the morning. This will help you digest food and keep you comfortable and full of energy all day. After reading this article about the 8 most common mistakes people make with muesli, you can now have a real breakfast with it. Muesli can be a great way to start the day and keep your heart healthy if you eat it right and live a healthy life. Instead of instant packets, use whole oats. Limit the size of your portions, eat more protein and healthy fats, and drink a lot of water. Making just a few of these changes can make a big difference in your heart health, blood sugar levels, and energy levels. Thanks a lot for your time. If you liked this, please like and subscribe for more easy health tips for seniors. Do you have a question or a favorite way to eat muesli? Please leave a comment below. I'd like to hear from you. Have a great day, stay healthy, and I'll see you in my next video.